Login failed on Coinbase Fix. You open Coinbase to check your crypto portfolio, but the app refuses to let you in. Login failed. It's frustrating, but here's the truth. Most of the time, this issue has nothing to do with your password. And once you understand why it happens, you can fix it fast. The most common cause is a connection issue or an outdated app. Coinbase security systems are extremely strict, so even a small glitch in your network or time settings can trigger a login failure. First, check Coinbase system status. Go to Status, Coinbase, CAM, or search Coinbase status to see if there's an outage. If servers are down, you'll just need to wait until Coinbase restores full access. If everything's working fine, move to your network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test which one works better. If you're on a phone, turn it off. Coinbase blocks some IP addresses to prevent fraud. Next, update your Coinbase app. Open your App Store, search Coinbase and tap Update. Many login issues happen after Coinbase releases a new security patch. If the issue continues, clear the app cache or reinstall the app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Coinbase and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. This resets your connection to Coinbase's servers and fixes most errors. Also, check your device's time and date. Set it to automatic. Coinbase's two-factor codes are time-based, and if your phone's clock is off by even a few seconds, the verification can fail. Finally, if you've been locked out after too many failed attempts, go to Coinbase CAM and click Forgot Password. Follow the recovery process using your verified email or phone. Most login failed messages are temporary. By updating your app, checking your connection, and ensuring your device settings are correct, you can regain access quickly. So next time Coinbase blocks your login, don't panic. Follow these simple fixes, and you'll be back managing your crypto portfolio safely in no time.